I wish to take this opportunity to welcome the keynote speakers, to Dr. Sutarno, the chairperson of the Society of Indonesian Biodiversity, and also to Dr. Eddie Van Etten from Center for Ecosystem Management, Edith Cowan University, Australia, and Dr. Diane Butler from the International Foundation for Dharma Nature. I would like also welcome all the chairman of this SIB conference, Dr. Ahmad bin Setiawan. I also would like to welcome all the participants and presenters from various institutions of universities in Indonesia. A warm welcome also to participants from India, Pakistan, Philippines, Thailand, and Iran and Russia. Ladies and gentlemen, Society of Indonesian Biodiversity was first established in Surakarta, Central Java in 2006. Today, the SIB has 593 members, consists of researchers, scientists, lecturers, and biodiversity enthusiasts. The Society of Indonesian Biodiversity has also produced several journals. One of the prominent ones is the Biodiversitas, or Journal of Biological Diversity, which is now indexed by Scopus. Besides Biodiversitas, SIB also produces other journals, namely Nusantara Bioscience. And also now we have several new journals, such as Asian Journal of Agriculture, Asian Journal of Forestry, Biopharmacy, Biotechnology, Bonoro Wetlands, Soil Biology, Ocean Life, and Tropical Drylands. Society of Indonesian Biodiversity also routinely held national seminar called SNMBI and also International Conference or ICB. This year ICB is the 22nd ICB since July 2011. It is exciting to note that the topic of this year's International Conference on Biodiversity is on the roles of biodiversity and conservation research under global climate change. The agenda of the conference covers a wide range of very interesting items relating to the genetic diversity, diversity of species, diversity of ecosystems, ethnobiology, social economics, and also life science technology. Global climate change models predicted that by the end of the 21st century, in comparison to average prior to the 1980s, global warming will lead to a 3 to 4 degrees Celsius increase in mean temperature, a 30 to 40% decrease in rainfall, and a significant changes in seasonality, as well as severe weather events, as like we already know the tropical cyclone of Dahlia. Having said this, we can't ignore the fact that the task of understanding how species and communities respond to this climate change is crucial. Climate change may facilitate alien species invasion into new areas, particularly for species from warm native ranges introduced into areas currently marginal for temperature. In their paper in Biodiversitas in October 2017, Setiawan discussed the impact of climate change on potential distribution of Selaginella in Southeast Asia. Their results shows that the species has the capability to adapt with climate change, although there will be some shifting in their habitat distribution. In terms of invasive species, Sutomo and Van Etten in 2017 published a paper which discussed a species distribution model of invasive alien species, Acacia nilotica, in Indonesia, in light of climate change. The results shows that global climate change is likely to increase markedly the potential distribution of these invasive species in Indonesia, especially in eastern Indonesia, whereby the year 2045, it would likely to be widely spread to the eastern parts of Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, in this time of climate change, we need to integrate protection and conservation of biodiversity with harmony and welfare for the people living in this biodiversity hotspot in Indonesia. In concluding, without further ado, I hope you all have an engaging and enriching session ahead and a very pleasant stay in Bali. Thank you.